Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech. In today's video I'll bring up a possible solution to you with regard to TikTok live stream issues. One of the most common issue which people face is the lags and invalid request when you try to go live. As you can see that we have this TikTok live session on my screen, and as soon as I try to go live it will simply show me that invalid request error. For the time being it's not going to show me because I've already sorted that one out, but for you to fix this problem you need to follow these steps. So watch the video carefully because I've done so many things. I have also done these things which I'm going to show you. I have gone inside the settings, and from there I have also cleared some free space. I've cleared the cache, I've cleared the downloads, I have logged out. I have possibly found a solution at some point, which was to update the TikTok app to its latest version from iOS or Android Play Store, and that fixed the problem for some time, but it came back straight away. So right now you can see that the app is still showing pending update. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and update the app from Android Play Store or iOS Store. This problem is very common with iOS devices. When you run the app and when you run the live stream regularly, you will face this issue. It could be several factors. For example, the most important one is your app is not up to date. Second thing is the device is running battery and storage problems. Device is heating up, the hardware is not accelerating, and it's not communicating with the server right. Sometimes the app is down. But in my case, one of the 100% solution which I found for the invalid request, we're talking about invalid request, invalid param error meters or invalid param errors. So these kind of request glitches which you will see when you go live, and that basically affects your broad in the longer run. As you can see that if we open the TikTok application, you can see that we have already gained more than 18,700 followers, and that's my account, and possibly you are also going through the same problem. So the first and the foremost issue is basically switch from iOS to Android or from Android to iOS. This will 100% fix your problem. Number two key point, you need to make sure that you are only logged in on either Android or on iPhone. If you're switching between devices, you should not be able to see your accounts on both devices. So you have to make sure that your account is logged in only on one single device. Make sure if you're switching from Android to iOS, then log out of Android, delete the app on your device, then go on your iOS device, download the app, update it, and then use your login credentials in order to sign in and then run from there. This should be able to fix your TikTok live glitch, especially the invalid request and the invalid param errors. If you have any problems, do let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.